What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back now with a video, and today we're gonna look at the Vivid Storm more modded so that it's behind the media unit here. We made a full review of this projector screen, motorized projector screen before on this channel. I'm gonna link that below, so go ahead and check that out. But today we're gonna modify it so that it's wall mounted and it's tucked in behind the media unit so you don't see it. Here we go. First things first though, if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. It is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel a lot, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well, and let's see how well it does. So here we go. The product we're looking at today is the Vivid Storm wall brackets. Pretty much it comes on white version and a black version here. You can get them on Amazon or on their website, so I'll link that down below. Honestly, when I first got them, I'm really proud of it because it's all metal, pretty heavy duty, and you'll be able to carry that pretty heavy motorized screen projector by Vivid Storm. And it is from them, so just make sure that you use screws that hits the stud of your wall. I'm going to show you how to do that today with a stud finder, so that you'll be able to find the wood behind the drywall and mount this without any problem whatsoever. And if you don't hit any studs, and if there's no studs around it, I'll show you how to do that as well. Here we go. The first thing I need to figure out is how high my media unit is on the front, so that it's just flush right behind it. So it's about 19 inches here, so that's what I use. If you don't have a stud finder, make sure to grab one, and we're just gonna mark up the edge to edge of where the stud is here. That's where I put my vertical lines are, right in front of the 19 inches height there. And then we're gonna take the white bracket here that we bought, and we're gonna put one side on the stud and the other side on the hollow drywall. Later on, we're gonna make this big holes as well, so that we can put in toggle bolts on those hollow drywall only. Those sides are just gonna have this little contraption here, little toggle bolts. Pretty much gets on here first, and then you just push it in onto the wall like this, and then you tighten that up right there. And then the other two sides is just a normal screws that came in the box of the Vivid Storm brackets, and you just drill it on there right on the stud. And it's pretty sturdy. It's a metal bracket as well. You could pretty much sit there, stand there, and it won't budge. It's pretty good. These are the screws that comes with the Vivid Storm, and as you could see, it sits there flush. It's very secure, and you won't have any problems with it. I love it. And then once you've done that, all there is to do really is set up the rest of it. So I put the media unit in front of it like so. It does kind of protrude on the side, but you can't really see it with the couch there. And then I've placed the projector screen right in front of it. And as you could see, it does put out such a beautiful picture, as you could see here. If you want to see the rest of the videos, pretty much a full review of the Vivid Storm projector, a technical side of it, explaining how the projector screen works, I'll link that down below. I've done a video on that. I'm just gonna show you some effects here that shows off this projector. As you could see, it's just quite beautiful. I think it's definitely recommended for people who loves movies, and if you're just wants to just sit at home and still have that movie experience, you'll be able to have that with this. And as you could see, it's just a beautiful picture. Even if you're watching and the kids are watching Coco Melon here, you'll be able to just sit back, relax, and it would put out a beautiful picture. Right now it's midday, as you could see here. It still puts out pretty good. All the blinds are down, and my 4K Paris Rhone 4K laser projector is pretty accurate on colors as well, and also it's just very bright even in broad daylight, so there's no problem with that. The projector does help a lot as well on the making the picture more vibrant and more colorful because of how it reflects But like I said, I have a full video on that on the link in the description below, and showing you guys the full, even the unboxing and the review. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. I would definitely recommend. As you can see, even here, look, one side is like on the wall and one side is on the projector, and as you can see, the difference on how much color vibrancy is, and I feel like this is one thing that most people lack. It's definitely recommended. Most people think that you could just use your wall as a projector screen, but for the most part, it's not accurate, and most walls nowadays are like off-white, and you know, having this screen projector here, and it retracts down as well, all motorized, not loud. It's really good to have, and especially you'll be able to experience the full picture of what you're watching. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.